As far as testing goes, dishwashers require one of the more elaborate setups we use in the lab. The first step in the testing process is to prepare a set of standardized dishes that have carefully prepared stains applied to them. This includes pureed spinach, egg, milk, fake meat, and burned-on cheese. Each stain is applied in a measured amount, spread evenly, photographed, so we can measure how much stain is removed during the wash cycle. For every dishwasher, we test the 3 basic cycles: quick, normal, and heavy. We also test additional features like extra drying abilities or app functions. After each wash cycle is complete, we measure the dishes carefully to estimate how much stain is left. We measure how dry they are, and we also look for redeposit. That's the crud that escapes the filter and ends up back on the dishes. We're testing the dishwashers under extra challenging conditions, but we also make sure we use them just like a consumer would in their own home, so we can figure out how easy they are to use. Every dishwasher is unique, but we make sure we put them through the same set of rigorous tests so you can make the best possible decision when you're buying a dishwasher.